Welcome back to Household CEO. I am the Household CEO running this household, respecting the budget because responsible is the new rich for us. Today's video is a reset and realign where I take a step back and look at what needs to change so I can move forward with more structure. I'm currently entering a financial season, and this is a point where structure is no longer optional, it's necessary. I've had to make some decisions recently that require me to reset how I manage my finances and how I move going forward. What I am realigning: responsibilities first. One of the biggest shifts for me is prioritizing my responsibilities first, making sure the essentials are always handled before anything else consistently and not occasionally. Making sure the essentials are always handled before anything else Making sure the essentials are always handled before anything else, consistently, not occasionally. Structure over reaction. I'm moving away from reacting week by week and stepping into a more structured system where every paycheck already has a purpose. Intentional spending. I'm becoming more intentional about how I spend, especially in areas like food and everyday essentials that can easily go unchecked without a plan. As a part of that, I'm also investing in my financial education and becoming more intentional about how I learn about. As a part of that, I'm also investing in my financial education and being more intentional about how I learn and apply what I'm doing in real time. I'll be sharing parts of that journey and the lessons that actually work for me. This reset is also showing up in other areas of my life right now. I'm focusing on strengthening my foundation for the rest of the year, which means being intentional about my time, my finances, and my priorities before taking on anything new. I'm also working toward moving into my own space. So this season of structure is really about preparing for that next level of independence. And I made the decision to take a step back from school for now so I can fully focus on building a stable foundation for myself and my household. This season is really about becoming someone who moves with structure, not pressure. That's what responsible is the new rich means for me. It's not about having everything, it's about being able to control what you do have. As I move through this next season, I'll be sharing how I apply this in real time. Thank you for being here. Your household CEO is signing out.